Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pop That Box. My name is Mike, and today is May the 4th be with you. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start, could you like, subscribe, and comment the prize you want to win? Because we're having a May the 4th be with you giveaway. Now here are the prizes. Yoda number 124. This is a ECC 2021 exclusive. Shared. Boba Fett number 102. This is a Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty exclusive. And this pop has been trending upwards, so this is a very dope prize. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment the prize you want to win. I'll let the giveaway run for maybe 2-3 weeks. I'm gonna let people get in there, and we'll find out who won in the end of the month. Alright, YouTube. So since this is May the 4th be with you, you know I had to make it extra special. So here's the first 4 pops. Shadow Stormtrooper number 394. This is a EB exclusive, and the Shadow Troopers, they were elite and highly trained stormtroopers that served the Galactic Empire during the Galactic Civil War. Darth Malak number 395, and Darth Malak is a Sith Lord during the Jedi Civil War. Yoda Hooded number 393. Another EB exclusive, and Yoda is a legendary Jedi Master who witnessed the rise and fall of the Galactic Republic. Darth Revan, number 396. This is also a EB exclusive, but I have the special edition. Yeah, these ones, they sold out so quick on the website that I could not get one. But having a special sticker is better than not having it at all, right? What do you think about the first 4 pops, YouTube? Do you think they were dope? Well, if you thought they were dope, this one is going to be epic. So let's pop that box and see what I got. Here are the next 4 Star Wars pops. These ones are epic to me. Star Killer number 386. This is a Star Wars Celebration exclusive 2020. And if you don't know who Star Killer is, he is Galen Marek. And he is also the apprentice of the Sith Lord Darth Vader. Chewbacca number 387. This is also a Star Wars Celebration exclusive from 2020. But his friends know him as Chewie. He is a Wookiee male, smuggler, mechanic, pilot, and a resistance fighter who fought in the Clone Wars and more. Darth Vader, number 389. This is another Star Wars Celebration exclusive. And I got this Vader because of the blue armor. It looks dope. And if you don't know who Vader is, then you have not watched Star Wars. Boba Fett, number 388. And this Boba Fett is all white. Another dope armor. Had to get the all white armor because it's G. And if you don't know who Boba Fett is, he is a Mandalorian clone. And an assassin. With the last 4 Star Wars Celebration Funko Pops epic for you, YouTube? If you didn't think it was epic, then you have high standards. And so do I. Qui-Gon Jinn, number 128. This is a Star Wars Celebration exclusive from 2017. It glows in the dark, and Qui-Gon Jinn, he is an OG Maverick Jedi Master. Obi-Wan Kenobi, number 392. This pop is also a Star Wars Celebration exclusive from 2020, but it's also a 3,000 piece. And if you don't know who Obi-Wan Kenobi was, he was Anakin Skywalker's master. Alright YouTube, so what do you think about all those Star Wars Celebration Funko Pops? Were they epic for you? If they weren't epic, I have something for you. Slave One backpack. This is a New York exclusive from 2020. And this was a secret exclusive that is only 1,000 pieces. And here's the exclusive 1,000 piece Boba Fett, number 297. And if you see my videos, then you know I love Boba Fett, because he's a G. So I had to get this 1,000 piece. So enjoy Boba Fett NYCC 2020 1,000 pieces. Alright YouTube, well that's all the pops I have for you today. Happy May the 4th be with you. And remember to join the giveaway. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And may the Force be with you. But hold up. For the ones who made it this far, I am sorry I haven't been posting for the last who knows how long. I have been dealing with some discrimination when I go out in public. I've been dealing with it for like the past year, pretty much during the whole pandemic. But you know, a couple months ago I just couldn't take it anymore, and kind of just, yeah, I'm good now though. So you'll see more videos soon. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Peace.